Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking some problems which are based on the formula, the area of triangle. Area of triangle. This is exercise 7.3 of class 10, chapter coordinate geometry. Exercise 7.3. This is first question, second part. We find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given -5, -1, 3, -5 and 5, 2. आपको जो है इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालना है जिसके कि आपको वर्टिसेस गिवन है. वर्टिस ए इज -5, -1 विच इज x1 y1. इसको मैंने x1 y1 ले लिया. जो वर्टेक्स 3, -5 था, दिस इज x2 y2 and this is vertex C 5, 2 which I have taken x3 y3. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. So what is the formula for area of the triangle? That is area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 and the modulus of x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 and in bracket y1 minus y2. Okay, just put all the values what you will get. One upon 2 into mod, just take your x1, that is -5 and in bracket y2 minus y3 which is -5 and -2. Okay, plus x2 is there, that is 3, y3 minus y1, y3 is 2 and this is minus 2 minus minus is plus 1. Okay, y3 minus y1 plus x3 is there, x3 is how much? 5 and y1 minus y2, y1 is -1 and y2 is -5. So minus already is in formula, so minus will become plus and its modulus 1/2 into, just look here, -5 and -2 is -7, this is plus 3 and in bracket 2 plus 1 is 3, here plus 5 it is, -1 plus 5, that is 4, that is 4. And this will become 1/2 -7 into -5, 35, 3 3 is 9 and plus 5 4 is 20. So this is how much? 1/2 into modulus 35 plus 9, 44 plus 20, 64. So that is 1/2 into 64, that is 32 square unit. What is the answer of this? 32 square unit. Is it okay? Now this is question number 2 and I am taking the first part. In each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The first part is 7, -2. This is the one of the point. Next one is 5, 1 and this is the third point, 3 comma k, 3 comma k. Okay, these are the points, and these points are collinear. If these points are collinear, then we have to find the value of k. So let this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Since these points are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points should be 0. Since the points are collinear, therefore the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points, that will be 0. That will be 0. Now area of the triangle, that is half into x1. This is your x1 7. y2 minus y3. y2 is 1 and y3 is k, plus x2. x2 is 5. And what is in the formula? This is y2 minus y3. This is y3 minus y1. So what is y3? K minus 2. So minus will become plus. x3 is 3, and in the formula there is y1 minus y2. What is y1? Minus 2, and y2 is also minus 1. Is it okay? And this area should be 0. This area should be 0. So now just do the calculation. 1/2 into mod, just multiply them. 7 1 just 7, minus 7 into k. Here look this 5, plus 5k, and 5 to the how much? Plus 10. And just look here, 3 is here, and minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3, and this should be 0. This should be 0. So what will happen? This 1/2 will come this side. So what you will get? 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10, and 3 3 ja 9, and minus 9. This will be equal to what? This 1/2 is here. This 2 will go there. 0 into 2/1. This will become 0. Now do the calculation. First I am solving k. How much it is? Minus 7k and plus 5k. This will become minus 2k. This is the number. 7 plus 10, 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 8. This should be is equal to 0. This should be is equal to 0. Or now this is the modulus symbol and this is already calculated. So this symbol will not become plus. यहाँ पे जो है -2k का सिंबल जो है प्लस नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन है और ये सिंपल अरिथमेटिक है. तो व्हेन वी विल ओपन दिस वी विल गेट -2k plus 8 is equal to 0. And then what will happen? -2k will be is equal to 0 minus 8, which is 0 minus 8 is -8. Therefore k is equal to -8 and divided by -2. 2 minus are here. This is minus will cancel and 2 4 the 8. So k is how much? 4. So these points will be collinear when the value of k is 4. Okay. So in this way we can find the value of k. Now this is question number 3rd. Find the area of the triangle found by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are given 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. You are given a triangle. Suppose the name of the triangle is ABC. The vertex A is 0, -1, vertex B is 2, 1 and vertex C is 0, 3. ये ट्राइंगल आपको गिवन है और आपने निकालना है कि एरिया ऑफ दैट ट्राइंगल, उस ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालना है जो कि इसके साइड्स के मिड पॉइंट से ज्वाइन करके बनता है. तो हमने लिया कि लेट D is the midpoint of AB, D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. तो मैंने क्या करना है, इससे जो ट्राइंगल बनेगा, कौन सा ट्राइंगल बनेगा इसके मिड पॉइंट से? दिस वन, DEF, इसका एरिया निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF. ओके. एंड आफ्टर दैट फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ दिस एरिया टू द एरिया ऑफ द गिवन ट्राइंगल. अब हम जब इसका एरिया निकालेंगे, एरिया ऑफ DEF, ठीक है, तो उस रेशियो को हम किससे कंपेयर करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. यानी व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड फाइनली? एरिया ऑफ DEF डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. यानी वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट रेशियो. So these are the midpoints. Since D is the midpoint of AB, D is the midpoint of AB, then we will use the midpoint formula. And what will be the coordinate of D? This will be x1 plus x2, 2 plus 0 upon 2, comma 1 or plus minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 1 comma 0. Coordinates of point E. This is point E. Again use the midpoint formula. 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2. 2 plus 0 upon 2 upon 2 is 1 and this is 4 upon 2, that is 2. Coordinates of point F. F is the midpoint of AC. Use the midpoint formula. So what will happen? 0 plus 0 upon 2 and minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. So 0 plus 0 upon 2 is 0. Minus 3 plus 1 is 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. Okay. So these are the coordinates of points D, E and F. Now this is your triangle DEF. DEF. And what are the coordinates of point D? 1, 0. D is how much? 1, 0. E is, where is point E? 1, 2. And what is point F? 0, 1. 0, 1. Now, area of this triangle. Area of the triangle, which one? DEF. What will happen? 1/2 into, take this point x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Just put all the values. 1/2. What is x1? That is 1. y2 minus y3. 2 minus 1. उसका प्लस x2. x2 is again 1. y3 minus y1. 1 minus 0. And this is x3 is 0 and y1 minus y2. y1 is 0 and this is minus 2. 0 minus 2, and this is the model of this. Now solve it. Area of triangle DEF. This will be equal to what? 1/2. Just solve this bracket. 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1. Now plus 1 and 1 minus 0 is again 1. And the last bracket there is 0, and in bracket 0 comma minus 2 is minus 2. So what will be this? 1/2 is here. Just see here. 1 1 is 1 plus 1, this one, and 0 and multiplication of minus 2 will be 0. So what is this? 1/2 into mod of 2. That will be 2/2. That is 1 square unit. This is the area of triangle DEF. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. ठीक है? Now we will find the area of triangle ABC. Now area of the triangle ABC. This will be again half, and just check it out. Suppose for this triangle, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2 for this triangle, and this is x3, y3 for this triangle ABC. Just put all the values. x1 is 0. 0 into y2 minus y3. What is y2? 1 and minus 3. 1 minus 3 plus x2. x2 is how much here? 2. y3 minus y1. y3 is 3 and minus 1 is plus 1 plus x3. x3 is again 0 and y1 minus y2. What is y1? Minus 1 or minus, what is my y2? Minus 1. Now solve it. 1 upon 2 into inside the mod 0 into 1 minus 3 0 2 3 plus 1 is 4 4 2 is 8 2 into 4 we can write again 0 with this number, this will get 0 and we will get what? 1 upon 2 into mod 0 plus 8 plus 0 0 plus 8 plus 0. This will become 1 upon 2 into mod of 8. That will be 1 upon 2 into 8, that is 4 square and this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Question was this: we find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Now required ratio will be given by area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle DEF? That is 1 and this is 4. So therefore, area of triangle DEF upon symbol we change into this ratio symbol, and area of triangle ABC will be how much? 1:4. 1:4. So what will be the ratio? 1:4. Now this is question number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, 2 and 2, 3. This one. Suppose this is the quadrilateral. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Suppose this is A is -4, -2, B is -3, -5, C is 3, -2 and D is 2, 3. 2, 3. Question is this: you find the area of this quadrilateral whose vertices are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. So for finding the area of this quadrilateral, what we will do? We will join either of the diagonal. So just look here. Suppose I am joining this diagonal AC. Diagonal AC is joined. Join points A and C. Now the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. Is it okay? When we join this diagonal, the triangle is divided into two triangles. Which one? ABC and ADC. Triangles ABC and ADC. Okay. When we join this diagonal AC, so this divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. Which one? ABC and ADC. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकाल लेंगे अलग अलग, ABC और ADC, और दोनों को ऐड करके हम जो है होल क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. इज इट ओके? नाउ दिस इज ट्राइंगल ABC, दिस वन ABC, and this is the triangle ADC. Now we will find the area of both the triangles. First, the area of triangle ABC. These are the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. When we will put this formula, we will get 21 upon 2. What is the area of triangle ABC? 21 upon 2. Similarly, we will find the formula of triangle ADC. This is the point x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. When we will apply this formula, we will get the answer 35 upon 2 square unit. So this is the area of triangle, how much? 21 upon 2, and this is 35 upon 2. This is 21 upon 2, and this was 35 upon 2. And we have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So last line of the question. Now, area of quadrilateral ABCD. This will be the sum of the areas of these two triangles. That is 21 upon 2 and 35 upon 2. 35 plus 21, 56 upon 2. That is 28 square unit. So this is the answer of this question. What is the area of quadrilateral ABCD? That is 28 square unit. Now this is question number 5. कि prove that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area, and verify this result for this triangle whose vertices are 4, -6, 3, -2 and 5, 2. आपको जो है एक ट्राइंगल दिया गया है ABC, जिसके वर्टेक्स हैं 4, -6, 3, -2 एंड 5, 2. इसमें आपने वेरीफाई करना है कि मीडियन ऑफ ए ट्राइंगल डिवाइड्स इट इनटू टू ट्राइंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल एरिया. सपोज इन दिस क्वेश्चन this AD is the median. AD is the median. It means D should be the midpoint of BC. Let AD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. And now find the coordinate of point D. Point D, and that is midpoint of BC. So formula, midpoint formula, what will happen? x1 plus x2, 3 plus 5 upon 2, comma, y1 is -1 plus 2, -2 plus 2 upon 2. Okay, when you will solve, 3 plus 5 is 4, 8 upon 2, 4, comma, 0. So what is the coordinate of point D? That is 4, 0. और कहाँ से निकाला ये? मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूले से, मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. नाउ you have two triangles ABD, this one, and ADC. Find their area. So area of triangle ABD will be, when you will put all these values, you will get the area, this one 3 square unit. Okay, and just look here, in the last line here is 1 upon 2 into mod of -6. इनसाइड द मॉड एनी नेगेटिव नंबर दैट कैन बिकम पॉजिटिव, ये जो नेगेटिव नंबर मॉड के अंदर है ये वाला, दिस वन, दिस विल बिकम प्लस, तो 1/2 into 6 that is 3 square unit. Similarly we can find the area of triangle ACD. Again you will get like this 3 square unit. तो हमने क्या देख दिया कि this area of this triangle is 3 square unit and area of triangle ADC that is also 3 square unit. तो what we have to prove that कि मीडियन जो है इसको दो इक्वल पार्ट में, टू ट्राइंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल एरिया में क्या करती है, डिवाइड करती है. तो देयरफॉर वी कैन से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, ACD, ओके, और ADC, area of triangle ACD. Is it okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.